ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here at the SIGEP show here, 2026, Rimini, Italy. A hometown favorite over here, Taylor. Don't always exhibit here. It's been a number of years since Taylor have had really a large presence here. They're sharing some space over here at the Frigomat booth. And look, they're just basically telling the world, hey, these are some of the items they got. We'll do a walk down the line, kind of show you what they're exhibiting here. A little surprise at the end, new product, not yet released in the States, but nearly. Let's go and have a look. Another thing, ice cream lovers, Taylor have been in business 100 years this year. I think that's worth celebrating. There aren't too many businesses around the place that are actually 100 years old. 1926, so that's something to be credited for. Taylor, happy birthday.
Is that enough?
Beautiful.
It could be better.
Ice cream lovers, Taylor tends to be the kings of the soft serve business. They've been at it so long, 100 years, just a wide variety of products. And they've recently taken on Flavor Burst in-house. So now a lot of their Flavor Burst twisted cones are integrated into the machines. And then you've got this full line, mainly countertops here. Mainly countertops units are utilized into Europe and around the other places. Gravity here, double barrel countertop machine. Again, a lot of these are heat treated, so they can kind of be cleaned long term. You've got your twin twist unit, your pumps in the top here. Smaller units all the way down here to the, again, single flavored soft serve. There's a lot of options for people who have full-blown ice cream shops, or maybe you're in the pizza business or the coffee business and you just want to add a little bit, maybe a buffet. The line is absolutely huge. Floor standing mega machines versus even the countertop singles. Now, a little bit of a surprise down the end here, something new they launched this year. Ice cream lovers, I love coming to the show because all of the booths, all of the exhibitors, if anything's going to be launched new in their business, it's generally launched at the SIGEP show. One of the great reasons to come. Now, what we've got over here is a smaller unit. It's probably the smallest one they do. It's called La Piccola, which is small. Again, this isn't available yet here in Europe or in the US. It's actually a co-manufacturing job with Frigomat. They've had a long-standing agreement and friendship. The nice thing about this, again, is that they're taking soft serve, good quality soft serve, very small places. So again, if you've got a small office, hospital, anything where you want to put, small bakery, coffee shop, cafe, you've got the ability now to invest really not a lot of money for some really good quality, medium volume soft serve. We're going to put the link to the Taylor folks down here. Have a bit of a look down here. We always love visiting Taylor, whether it's in the US or whether it's in the UK or here in Italy. Their link is down below. We'll kind of keep you up to date on when the launch date is for La Piccola. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next one.